Here's the SVL75-3. I think it's a 2040 model. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. 331 hours. 334. New tracks on it. Closed cab, air conditioning, heat, radio, backup camera. It's got a hydraulic disconnect, auxiliary hydraulics with the cover on it. It's got a big time KUBOTA warranty. It's got a KUBOTA warranty, KUBOTA bucket with the bolt-on cutting edge and side cutters. It's a new generation. To buy a brand new one, this is what you get. I got brand new ones out there. You save about 20 grand, something like that. You'll save 10 grand off of my selling price. With 331 hours with a better warranty. We put brand new KUBOTA tracks on it. We took the tracks off and put them on the open unit we had. Hydraulic disconnect. Very expensive KUBOTA bucket with bolt-on cutting edge and side cutters. We got over a 2-year extended warranty on it, full machine, 3,000 hours. That's a heck of a good deal on this one. That extended warranty, it's got $4,000 extended